WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps with more than 1 billion active users. Every now and then, new features are added to the app and we come across a unique feature. So, what are all the WhatsApp changes that you should know about? Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Extent Infosoft. If you frequently use WhatsApp for professional or personal reasons and are looking for interesting features for your chatting experience, here are some 10 useful WhatsApp tips and tricks that you may find useful. So, if you want to know this, then let's hop in. Number 1. Hide group photos and videos of WhatsApp from gallery. Most of us don't have much control over what content is pushed to our phones via WhatsApp groups, and this content showing up in your phone's gallery. WhatsApp has added the option to hide media from particular groups in the gallery. Just open a WhatsApp group and tap on the group name to access the option. This method won't remove already existing WhatsApp images in your gallery and will hide new incoming media only because you will have to delete them. Number 2. Secure your WhatsApp using fingerprint lock. You can also secure your WhatsApp using fingerprint unlock. This way, only people who have their fingers registered on their phones will be able to access WhatsApp. To do so, go to Settings, Accounts, Privacy and scroll down to Fingerprint Lock. Before using the fingerprint unlock, you must know that in case the fingerprint authentication fails, there is no option to unlock using pattern. Number 3. Hide specific contacts from viewing your story. Stories are a great way of expressing, which can also be quite personal. If you don't want to share them with all WhatsApp contacts, you can prohibit specific contacts from viewing your status, updates, or stories. For that, go to WhatsApp Settings, Accounts, Privacy. Select Status, My Contacts Except. Or now select specific contacts you wish to avoid and tap the tick mark below. Or else, you can also select the Only Share With option if you wish to share status updates only with a small number of specific contacts. Number 4. Read messages without being given away by blue ticks. If you wish to read a WhatsApp message without the sender knowing, there is a way you could do that. You could disable blue ticks altogether. For that, go to Settings, Account, then Privacy. Uncheck Read Recipients. But then you won't be able to see if others have read your messages either. So be careful with that. Number 5. Schedule WhatsApp messages. To schedule WhatsApp messages for groups or individual contacts, you can download this scheduler app for WhatsApp. After granting it accessibility permission, you can fill in the required fields and schedule your message. Number 6. Delete images or videos from a particular WhatsApp group or contact. If a particular WhatsApp group or contact is limiting your storage space, you can delete messages, chats, videos, and audio from a specific WhatsApp group. For that, go to Settings, Data and Storage Usage, then select Storage Usage, and you will see all groups and contacts ranked according to the storage space they are limiting. Then select the group and tap on the Manage Messages option at the bottom. Now, select and clear whatever data like videos, GIF files, photos, etc. that you wish to get rid of. Number 7. Share live location. You can now share the live location with your contacts. The location is updated in real time and you can keep a tap on it exact whereabouts of specific contacts. You can share location for 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours straight. To do so, just tap the attachment icon in the text input field. Now, select location and then select Share Live Location. Number 8. Limit data used by WhatsApp. To restrict the data consumed by the app, this is what you need to do. For that, go to Settings, Data and Storage Usage. From here, you can decide what all media like photos, videos, documents, audio the app can download while eating your data. Number 9. Mark messages to answer later. If you have read a message but wish to answer it later, you can simply long press the conversation head in the chat tab and select Mark as Unread option. This won't release or erase blue ticks or read recipients but will mark the message with a blotted green dot that will serve as a reminder. You can later answer the text at your own time. Number 10. Set privacy options. You can decide who gets to see your profile pics, last seen, and other such details. You can find all these privacy options listed under Settings, Accounts, then Privacy. So these are the 10 hidden tricks of WhatsApp group. If you like this video, then please give a like, and if you have not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel Extent Infosoft and hit the bell icon. If you want to suggest some topic which should be discussed here, then please let me know in comments. Thank you everyone. Keep watching, keep learning.